So we should be part of this 8-year anniversary today in Stockholm. I'm today at Microsoft office in Oslo on a partner event there. So thank you, Tobias, for all the nice words. And, I'm proud partner to you as well, and FSO. I'd like to give you a little bit of an overview of what we're doing with MTEK and MBrain. A lot of cool stuff are happening. We're headquartered 3 hours up north in the middle of the forest. We have an office in Stockholm. We're growing into the US as well. Proud ambassadors of Hälsingland, and certified great place to work. So we're MTEK. We know manufacturing. We take pride in the Swedish manufacturing history and the quality that Sweden stands for. We're roughly 60 employees, heavy backers, shareholding by ABB, among others, and Ultra Industrial Motion. We launched the system MBrain. It's been active on the market for approximately 20 months. We're already on 4 continents, customers scaling it on their own. It's the manufacturing system of the future. Now, this has been really good over the last couple of months with a partnership that we have with Microsoft, among others as well, to get that verification that we're onto something really, really interesting. Usually what competitors do in a year, we can do in merely weeks or maybe up to a month. So we're super proud of that. Here are some of the results. Now, I guess some of you have seen the enormous success of Cake, the EV dirt bike, over the last couple of days. They started using our system last year. First 5 weeks into using the system, they accomplished 20% improvement in throughput, roughly 50% improvement in first pass yield, and most importantly, 40% reduction in time to onboard new operators, and given the capability to scale to new markets. Now, Cake is a brilliant example of a customer that is forward-leaning and actually understands the value of digitization. So I'm super proud to say that we're a small part of their journey ahead. Now, Stefan Ytterborn just announced, was it 150,000 new bikes to be built around the globe. So this is super cool to be part of this. Another part that actually happened yesterday is another of our customers, Swegon. They won the Swedish Annual Assembly Award, very much based on their use of digital twins. Now, once again, this is a very mature brownfield establishment, but with an extremely forward-looking understanding of manufacturing and what this actually means. And also extremely proud to say that our system has been part of their journey and will be a part of their journey moving ahead. Now, some may ask, what are we doing here? So MBrain, which stands for Manufacturing Brain, is basically divided into 4 different modules. Make, which is anything that happens on the shop floor, the full MES capability or manufacturing operations management platform. It's the world's only completely no code. It's not low code, but it's no code, which means that the customer can build their own manufacturing methods in our system. We have the buy module, which connects up to the supply chain, which allows to see if the key suppliers have been supplying products within spec and that are basically that produce the quantity as expected. The operate module goes downstream. So that one connects the track and trace all the way out to the field, allowing customers to do, let's say, installation and commissioning, repair and rework flows, and stuff like that. And of course, data is the new oil, right? So the improve module is where we can actually use the data that has been generated to aggregate it and help customers and partners generate higher value through data-driven continuous improvements. So that's us in a nutshell. Basically, on top of that, just to begin a little more explaining to it, we are method-centric, which sets us a little bit apart. Instead of having to do a tailor-made solution at every single time for a client's manufacturing, the client can actually do their own method development using our system. And it caters not just for machine connectivity, but also really engulfs the human capabilities. That's one of the partnerships that we're having with Microsoft as well, to see how we can enforce and empower frontline worker engagement, utilizing the ecosystem of Microsoft with Azure, with Power Platforms, and Microsoft Dynamics, and Teams, of course. Here's some statements from Adrian Long, who's the Senior Director for Industry Cloud. Microsoft's been reviewing our solutions for quite some time now and are actively selling our solutions on the global market. One of the things that they see as well is that by utilizing MTEK's open platform with the no-code solution, we're strongly positioned to also take advantage of the new area of AI that can utilize the Microsoft OpenAI to actually infuse smart manufacturing solutions. So we're super proud of the partnership with Microsoft, as well with the FSO, as well as with other ecosystem players. In our case, one would ask, okay, is this complicated to deploy? Well, the application itself is complete no-code. So usually the customers doesn't need to employ new people to actually run the system. It's very simple to integrate to and from. The architecture, as verified by Microsoft, can be deployed either full cloud, on-prem, or a hybrid solution, which allows for better redundancy and performance. The business model as well, allowing customers to scale using our system. So inherently having a business model that allows the customer to go out and attach new machines, bring in new people to the system, and then on top of that, be able to have a predictive cost of the license model moving forward. Some of the benefits that we see, we showcase some of the examples of our customers. There's more examples as well that we can share later on. Cost, time to value, agility. We all know manufacturing has to change, and it will change very, very frequently. But most importantly, the ease of use of the system that allows the customer to extract maximum value in the shortest time on the shop floor. That's one thing that we put a lot of pride into. Some of the words from industry analysts, Julie Fraser from Tech Clarity. We won this super cool award from Fast Company. Now that's a long time ago. That's basically 1.5 years ago. But we're still very, very proud of that. If there's any questions, any comments, any requests for the system, anyone that would like support or help on the digital journey within manufacturing, just let me know. We're here to support you. And Tobias, I know that you and your team are amazing on allowing customers to help for adoption and extracting value and making sure that the customer digital journey captures the maximum value in the shortest time. So I think that's all for me. I wish you all a wonderful evening and things, and I wish I was there tonight.
Yeah, me too. Thank you so much, Mattias.